the first 10 days of January with a beta test. If you're already feeling the friction of your old habits, it is not a failure of will. It is a failure of your operating system. You are attempting to run 2026 goals on 2025's subconscious cache. Every thought you've ever had, every fear you've entertained, and every limitation you've accepted is stored data. If you don't clear that data, you will repeat the same cycle under a different name. This is the System Reset Protocol. We are deleting the old code. We are installing a new baseline. Logic over emotion. Protocol over impulse. Let's begin the deployment. Step 1. The system audit. You cannot fix what you haven't identified. Most people operate on default mode. They react to the 3D world as if it is happening to them, rather than realizing the 3D world is simply a lagging reflection of their internal state. To audit your system, look at your current friction points: financial lack, relationship instability, physical lethargy. These are not problems. They are output errors. They indicate that your internal state is misaligned. For the next 60 seconds, acknowledge the error without emotion. Do not judge the data. Simply observe it. This is your current version. We are about to override it. Step 2. Clearing the cache. In computing, a cache stores temporary data to help programs run faster. In the mind, your cache stores your past self. It reminds you that you are someone who struggles or someone who is unlucky. To clear this, we use the law of assumption logic. You must stop identifying with the data. You are not the struggling person. You are the observer of the data. Use this command. That version of me is no longer active. The file is corrupted. The file is deleted. You do not need to work on your past. You simply need to stop running the program. Silence the noise. Enter the void state. In the void, there is no history. There is only potential. Step 3. System installation. Now that the cache is clear, we install the new baseline. This is where most people fail because they try to hope for a better future. Hope is a low-frequency state. In this protocol, we use deployment. You do not hope for wealth. You deploy the state of an asset owner. You do not wish for health. You deploy the frequency of vitality. Script your new reality in the present tense, but keep it technical. System status. Abundance is the baseline. Income exceeds expenses by a factor of 10. The physical frame is optimized. Repeat these as system commands, not as pleas to the universe. You are the architect. The hardware must follow the software. The final step is system maintenance. The 3D world will attempt to reinstall your old files. You will see a bill, or a conflict, or a setback. This is a system test. If you react, you reinstall the old cache. If you remain neutral and hold your new state, the 3D world is forced to update to match your new code. The lag time is temporary. The shift is permanent. The 2026 reset is now active. If you are ready to complete the deployment, type sync in the comments to lock in this frequency. Protocol closed.